Welcome to the third and fourth weeks of learning geometry or algebra in Mr. Kenyon's class. And this welcome video is just meant to kind of give you a little bit of overview of the way that I have changed my website and then how you're going to be able to look at and do assignments. So first thing you should notice is that classes now have been a lot more streamlined. So they're going to have separate pages instead of all of my classes on one page because I thought that was kind of a little bit confusing. So they're organized according to weeks. So weeks 1 and 2 you're already done with, or most of you at least are already done with weeks 1 and 2. And then now moving into weeks 3 and 4. So I have them at 2 weeks at a time. And it looks like I've got 5 groupings of weeks. So if we end up continuing with online learning, then we will continue on to weeks 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, depending on how things go. Hopefully I'll get a chance to see you again before the school year is over, but if we end up staying with online learning, this is how we're going to move forward, at least on my website. So I'm just going to show you geometry. Your class will be whatever class you have, but it'll be kind of in the same format. So I'm just going to click on weeks 1 and 2. So that you can see what I had going on here. So weeks 1 and 2 for geometry look pretty much the same as they were. The files that were for geometry are under the file list, and then the instructions for each day of the week is listed there. So now I'm going to move into weeks 3 and 4. So we're going to move into weeks 3 and 4 for geometry. So this at least at this point, this section is mostly finished. So for Monday, geometry students have to do this assignment. So if you have algebra or you have individualized geometry, or if you have accelerated geometry, this wouldn't be your assignment. But this is a follow-through assignment from just before spring break. And actually most, well, I wouldn't say most, but many of my students have already done this. Tuesday, the assignment is to watch the welcome video, which is what you're doing right now. So you're doing exactly what I expect you to do. And then you'll notice that I have videos for sections. So I will have a video for every section that I expect you to do. So there's an 8.3 section video, and then there's also an 8.3 presentation as well. So each section will have a presentation, and it'll have a video, and you can look at either or both of those. The section for 8.3 has problems that I kind of expect you to have worked out on your assignment, or ones that you might have some problems with. So I've got them worked out. I've also got the assignment list there too, but I guess questions that I was concerned mostly about were 34, 36, and 10. So I'll notice that I've got those worked out for you. And then there's also going to be a video. So there's going to be an accompanying video. Obviously, my laptop is going to show the video differently than your computer is going to show, but you'll be able to go through and play. We're now moving on to section 8. Watch the video. So that's how things are going to go. Sometimes I'm going to want you to send me an assignment, and sometimes I'm going to want you to wait. In this case here, after you watch this video, there's going to be a code word, which I'm going to give you momentarily, and you'll understand. Oops, went too far. What that code word is. All you've got to do is reply or send an email to me with the code word, and then you'll get the 5 points for watching the video.
The code word is Easter!
And you'll notice for Wednesday there's a part or day 1 assignment, but I don't want you to send that yet. Thursday there will be a second part or a day 2 part of that assignment. Then you'll send both of those together in one email. So that'll count as one assignment. And then there'll be more videos and assignments. And some days I won't want you to send an assignment. So like next Monday the 20th, I don't expect you to send one. But on Tuesday I'll expect you to send a combination of the day 2 and day 3 assignments. Day 4 I won't expect you to send one. But I will the next day for day 4 and 5, those assignments, and then there will be a review assignment for Friday. So that is my welcome video, at least the first part of it, presentation of my website. And I appreciate you watching this part.